Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? Alright guys, on today's video I'm going to show you two different ways on how to detox yourself. On this Christmas you have to detox yourself. It's very important. PS guys, this is an old video, okay? These are my old videos and I just have to upload them just to know the difference between my new videos and my old videos. The first thing I added on my blender is my spinach, okay? Spinach is good to detox yourself. After that, the second thing that will be adding is my ginger. Ginger is really nice in this cold. This is what you need to detox yourself and it's really good and it's going to help you out on this cold time, okay? After adding ginger, I'm going to add my cucumber. Cucumber is known as well to flatten your tummy, to detox yourself. It contains a lot of nutrients and vitamins, okay? So I added my cucumber. I just slice it because I'm going to be blending them together, okay? Then after adding my cucumber, the next thing that I'll be adding is my lime orange, the green lime. The green lime orange is good to detox yourself. It really works like magic, okay? So I'm going to remove the back of the lime now. After that, and I'm just going to slice, add it to your blender as well, okay? The way that you know it can be blended and it is going to be very smooth because we are not going to stir, okay? So I'm slicing my orange now, add it to my blender. I'm adding the full orange, okay? So add it to my blender. The next thing that I'll be doing, I'm going to add water and blend, okay? It's very important. This juice is really good. I just added some freezy pineapple, which is really good as well for your tummy, for your detoxing. This video is to detox yourself. If you really want to detox yourself, this is going to help you out to detox yourself, okay? So after that, I added my pineapple, my freezy pineapple. I get it like this from the supermarket. You can get it from any supermarket close to you. Then added some water, then we blend together. You are going to blend it until it's well smooth. It's really going to smooth very well, okay? Then after blending, the next thing that I'll be doing, I'm going to add to my cup. Then we are going to be drinking it this way, okay? There's no need of stirring. There's no need of that. So just drink it this way. It's really going to help you like this to detox yourself. Trust me. Are you just see this channel for the first time? My name is Sarah. We film about beauty, flat tummy, and lifestyle. Compliment of the season. Please do consider to subscribe to my channel so whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Did you watch to this time or to this extent? Thank you for watching to this time. Please share this video to your followers, share to your friends, share to your timeline, share to everything. You are going to love, okay? In this place, I was just saying, drink it this way. We are not going to stir. We are not going to filter. I don't know what they call it. Then we are just going to drink it like this, and it's really going to help you like this to detox yourself. And I just tasted it. I just drink this. You guys, I love to detox myself. Once in a while is good for you to detox yourself, okay? So not just eating sugar every time. Once in a while, you have to take something that will help you to detox yourself, your tummy. And please, if you're a breastfeeding mom, you don't need to take all this ash something. So if you are not breastfeeding, you can take anything that you want to take. But if you are breastfeeding, it's very important for you not to take anything that is harsh, because whatever you take into your system, your baby as well is going to drink it. You know that. So that is why when I was breastfeeding, I did not do flat tummy videos because I don't want to take anything that will affect my son. Okay, so the second method that I'm going to be showing you guys now is the first thing, add your beetroot to your blender. Okay, after adding your beetroot to your blender, the second thing that you have to do is slice your ginger, add it to your blender. Okay, then after adding your ginger to your blender, the next thing that you want to do is take your lime. At this particular time, I'm going to be using my yellow lime. Okay, so these are all drinks to detox. These are detoxing drink that I am showing you guys now. Okay, so I'm going to add my yellow. I'm going to peel my yellow or a lime orange, a lime, then just slice it into pieces. Add it to your blender as well. It's very good. Lime orange will help you to clean your stomach. It will help you to detox yourself. It will help you to, just to wash your tummy. Then remove the seed. Make sure that you remove the seed. As you can see, I'm taking off the seed, and it's very good to take off the seed before you blend together, so you will not drink the seed alongside with your juice. Okay, then after removing the seed, slice it into two. I'm going to slice it into two, then add it to my blender as well. It's very important. You guys, this video is an old video. I just said I should leave this video here just to remember my old account, or just to remember my old YouTube channel. Then after that, add a glass of water, a full glass of water. Then the next thing that we are going to do, we are going to blend together. Okay, then after blending, take it, drink it like this. Don't stir it out as well. We don't want to stir. We are still going to drink it like this. This is exactly the way that is going to work for you. That is really going to work for you very well. Okay, yes guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please guys, tell me the difference between my old and my new videos. You see these new videos that I am uploading now, can you tell me the difference? Just tell me the difference. Leave it on my comment section. This is my old videos that I was doing. I think it's 2020. Yeah, 2020. These videos are 2020 that I was doing before, so I want to know the difference between the old one and the new ones. If it is clear, if the old one is better than the new ones that I'm doing on this YouTube now. You guys know I have a old YouTube that was a old YouTube before. I have 2 YouTube channels. So tell me the difference. If this particular videos that I'm doing now is clear, is better than these ones that I'm doing, so I will adjust my hand. Or if these ones that I'm doing is better than the old ones that I'm doing, tell me, so I will adjust my hand, so I will know what to do. And if the both of the video is not even cleared at all, it's not good, just still let me know, so that I will know what to do. Okay, if to go and buy camera, let me go and buy camera to give you guys good quality content. If to go to Media World and buy M50, I'll go and buy camera just for you guys. I'll buy it, then I will start filming with it and give you guys good quality. But promise me you are going to watch my videos, share my videos, and you are going to like and be sharing my videos and watch it. That one is very important. Okay, all right guys, thank you all so much for watching. I will be waiting for you guys on my comment section. Please share this video, like and subscribe. And bye guys, I'm going to be seeing you all on my next video. Bye guys. In this place I was just telling you guys to drink it. It's good, it's nice to detox yourself. It's good. My old videos before, when I'm watching some of my videos, sometimes I would just be laughing at myself. I say like, is this me? I can't believe this is me. I can never believe. I can never believe that is me. Okay. Oh yes guys, thank you all so much. Yeah, drink it 1 full glass a day, just once a day. Don't go and drink it.